Hello you guys, how are you doing? We're going to replace this door handle from BMW 320 from building year 2013. It's a GT model, a F34. You can see it's very sticky and there are pieces off, so we're going to replace it. So the first thing we are going to do is to take off this part, because there's a bolt over here and over here.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.
Here you have to see that this part over here, you have to slide out to there. So if you place it in again, also like this, put it in. Yeah. So this iron pieces we're going to place on the new one, but first we will remove that bolt and also that bolt. With a TT25 Torx driver, we will loosen the bolt. So the bolts are loose now, but they stay in. Now we're going to see that there are any screws. Around, and that's not the case, so we will pull on the door card to remove it. So both bolts came out when the door card loosened, and both bolts are identical. So you can place them in the order you want. So now we have the door card off. We can remove this side if we want, or this side. Pull on it like that. You can take it away. This black connector out. And also with the flathead screwdriver we will remove this. Also over here. So this is also loose. Yeah. You know, yeah. This we will push out the roer above. So now we're going to push on this piece of plastic, and then on the other side this part will come above and we can disconnect it. First on the front of this part of piece of plastic, push, and then we will take it out and disconnect the wiring. So you push on this white piece of plastic, and at the same time you will slide that gray piece of plastic to the right. So push over here and come out. Now we can remove this part. If you're working on concrete or tiles, lay something, a blanket or a pillow underneath it, because otherwise you will damage it. But on the grass it's also fine. Now we're going to remove, we will drill it out. Niet te veel, hè?
Wat moet je nu doen?
Die plastic eraf boren, nee. Dat eraf kan. We will drill this out also. Ja, die moet je vasthouden, ja. Zo gewoon. Vast. Niet klaar. Deze is er wel wat in deze. Toch zien dat ik dat gaat niet te groot boren. Komt dat het dan nog is. Ah ja, was het. Zo. Dan gaan we hier zien. Ja. The door handle is off, and here we can see the old door grab and also the part number. From genuine door grip, we need to place over 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this we can push out easily. For this side also. Just lay it in like this and push on it. You can do it also when you turn the bolts in. You put the bolt in like this and then screw with the right torque screwdriver. You can take the bolt and push it in like that. Then for the other parts, we will build over this part.
Step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are
So we will take these parts out and put the bolts through. We will lay it with screws that come over here, the one that we drilled out from the genuine one. So we're going to place the new grip in, like that. I'll go in.
Above the sky, we are heroes tonight.
That's how you place in the new hand grip, and then we will place the door panel back on the car. And then you have to check that all these pins are in and not into the car, otherwise you have to pull them out and put them back onto the door panel. Let's go the yellow stick. This connector through here, also connect the lighting, en dan is alles klaar. Slide it in.
Die of limmetjes, ja.
Yep.
Perfect.
And then with the torque screwdriver TT25, the two bolts in with this part on. So first this part, then this part over here. And that's how you replace this inner plastic piece from an old one to a new one.
Perfect, Jantje.